Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm really excited to share with you all of the insights of my Amazon account, and in this video I'm going to be truly transparent with you guys. I'll show you each and everything, each and every detail of my Amazon account, the sales, the conversion rates, the PPC dashboard and everything. And in addition to that, I'll also share you each and every strategy and each and every step which I implement on this account to get that much sales and that much results. So this video is going to be super helpful and important for you if you are an e-commerce seller, because there's a lot of things to learn in this video for you for free. So all you have to do is sit back and keep watching this video till the end, because it is literally having some useful information for you. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Seller Central now, and from here, let's just open my campaign manager and my business reports. So you can just see my sales, you can just see my PPC, and then I'll start explaining you how I achieve that and what are the best tips for you to implement on your Amazon account so you can also get that much results and that much sales. So let's first go to advertisement manager, and here you can just see that I can put the filter for the lifetime. And if I just click on that ad metrics, so here you can see that this is the lifetime result of this account. Like you can see that in lifetime, like in 1.5 year, because I start working on this account before 1.5 year. So the lifetime spent is $16,000. And you can see that against spending that $16,000, I got the sale of $47,000. So this is the sales which I got against PPC, but not the total sale. If I just talk about the total sale, so I can just go there, click on custom and put out the filter from the date from which I start working on this account, which was 1st September. So if I just click on apply here, so you can see that in the past 1.5 year, from 1 September to 26 December, I got actually 5,207 units sold and the total revenue was $173,516. So this is the total revenue of this account of all time, and this is the PPC revenue, and this is the actual amount $16,000 which I paid in PPC advertisement to get that much result. So that is literally huge, because if you subtract this amount $16,000 from this amount, so that will be a huge profit. So if I just break down in front of you all of these stats, like if I deduct from this amount, the amount I paid to PPC, the amount I paid to supplier, the amount I paid to freight forwarder to ship my product from China to USA, the amount I paid to my photographer, the amount I paid every month to Amazon. So if I deduct each and every amount, each and every single amount, that still I got around $80,000 profit for this product, because this product is really good quality and I actually sourced this product very cheaply from China, around $4 to $5, and then you can see that the average sale order is $34.87. So after deducting Amazon FBA fee, after deducting the supplier fee and each and everything, I still got $80,000 profit. So from this one product, from this one account, in the past 1.5 year, I got $80,000 profit. So let's just see how I do it. So for that, let's just go on this tab on the left side and click on this detail page sales and traffic. And from there, let's just turn off this graph. And here you can see that this tab is actually giving me the data for each and every date. So for example, you can see that this is 25th November, 26th November, 27th November, and in all of these columns, it is giving me the data for each and every date. Like on this date, I got this much revenue, I got this much units sold, I got this much visitor visit my shop, and I actually got this much conversion rate. So you can see that on every day, if I just check the ratio of the visitor on my shop and the buyer of my shop is literally more than 10%. That means if 100 people are visiting my shop, then more than 10 people purchase and go out. That is called the conversion rate. So from this table, you can just see on every day I got good sales. Like you can see that $900, $800, $700, $1,000, $1,400, and against that revenue, you can see that it is showing me the number of units. Like on this day, 5 December, I got 45 units sold and the revenue was $1,472. And this 45 units sold means that 364 people visit my shop And out of those 364, 45 people purchased. So that is actually a good number. So now at this point you might be wondering that why I'm showing you this, because this is literally the key which most people don't focus on. So in Amazon business there is a three main pillars. Number one is product and sourcing. Number two is listing optimization. Number three is PPC. So if you just understand these three principles correctly, then believe me, you can just get much more better result than this. So let's talk about number one part, which is product research and product sourcing. So if you go on YouTube on my channel Ways to Sell Online and click on playlist and just go at the end and find the playlist of Amazon, you can see that here's a playlist in the last says how to sell product on Amazon, and there are 94 videos in that playlist. So click on view full playlist. So in that playlist, you can just find plenty of videos free of cost on each and every topic of Amazon. So when you scroll down, so you can just find two videos here. Number one on how to find a winning product to sell on Amazon, like how to do product research. And second video is for how to do proper sourcing from Alibaba, China. So I'm not going to explain you how to do a product research in this video. So for that you can just go there, watch that video. I'll put the link of that video in the description of this video as well. But for this video, you just need to understand the concept. Like you need to find a winning product that is having high demand, low competition, high revenue, high profit, and less seller review of the competitor. Like you must be able to make sure that all of your competitor which are selling that particular product must be getting good amount of revenue with low reviews. So if they are having low reviews, that means they are having low competition. And if you launch that product, so by investing a little amount of money on PPC, you can just rank your product on first page of Amazon. So if you find a golden product like that, then 50% game is done. Like you have find a winner product. Now, if you put the effort on that product, you will get the money, you will get a profit. But if you do this first step wrong, like you find a wrong product which is having low demand, high competition, no profit, then no matter how much effort you put on PPC, listing optimization and everything, at the end, you will end up losing money. So doing a proper product research is too much important. And now, along with the first step, after product research, product sourcing is important. Like you must need to go on Amazon and type for your product. For example, bamboo tray. So if you go on Amazon, type for the keyword for your product and see all of your competitor listing. So now you can see that here are some sellers that are selling for $22, and here are some sellers that are selling for $15, $12, $24. So now at this point, you need to put some time, like maybe 20 or 30 minutes in researching your competitor. Like why some competitors are selling for low price and why some selling for high price. And then you need to analyze one by one which competitor is getting good revenue. So after finding the good revenue competitor, you need to focus on that design. Like you can see that this is a little different design, this is a little different design. Like in this design they are having handles and this design is having without handle. So you need to find out the most selling design, and then you need to find out all of those competitors who are selling the same design, and then you need to list down the price of the competitor. For example, you find out 5 competitors who are selling the same design which you want to sell. So you need to list down all of those 5 competitors, and then you need to list down their prices. So for example, one competitor is selling for $25, second is for $27, third is for $24. So the lowest price is $24 and highest is $27. So you must need to target your price less than $24, because if you start selling that product from first day, you will be having no reviews. So you need some unique selling point or unique selling edge to give your buyers some reason to buy from you, not from your competitor. So if you aim for less price, then you will be able to source for less price. So for example, your competitor are selling at least for $24, so you must be aimed to sell for $22, and you need to do your calculation as per that. Like you need to put a formula in which you put $22 selling price, you put FBA fee, you put shipping fee, you put advertising fee, and at the end you will be able to get the desired price at which you source. So for example, that desired price will be $4. So then you need to pick up that $4 value and start looking for supplier on Alibaba. Like I have just explained this strategy in detail in that video on my playlist, but for now you can just see that you just need to go on Alibaba and search for a good supplier and negotiate with them and bring them down to your desired price. So if you do that calculation properly and source that product at your desired price, then at the end of the day you will be able to make good profit. So now at this stage, your product is good, your sourcing price is good, and your profit is good. That means most of the game is done. And now comes the second part, which is listing optimization. So as I explained you that there are 3 main parts, and each of that is important. It's not like that you just do the one part properly and just miss out the second part, because your product is good, your product sourcing is good, your product quality is good. But if you don't present that product in front of people properly, then they will not purchase. So to increase the conversion rate, you need to make your listing optimized, highly optimized. Like your title, your bullet point, your description, and your images must be good and readers friendly. Like in online business, the more information you give about your product to the buyer, the more chances of getting conversion you will get. So if your product is having a material, the color, the size, the variation, and each and every detail, like where you can use that product, how you can use that product, you need to mention each and every detail of your product on your listing. Like in terms of videos, in terms of photos, in terms of listing, like title, bullet point, description. So at the end of the day, if your listing will be optimized and it will be giving the maximum amount of information to your customer, then your customer will purchase from your listing and you'll get a good conversion rate. Just like I've shown you in the starting of this video, like my conversion rate is good. Like if 100 people comes to my shop, 10 people purchase. That means my listing is optimized and they're actually able to get the answer of their question from the listing. Like for example, if a customer comes to your listing and let's suppose click on this listing and he or she will be having a question in their mind, like what is the material, what is the size. So before asking that question, if he get the answer of that question from your content, then he will be confident, like this is a professional seller and this seller is actually giving the good amount of information to their buyer. So he or she will be confident. So let's look at this listing. You can see that this listing is having an Amazon choice badge for the keyword bamboo tray. And if we start reading the title, you can see that bamboo tea serving tray, 3 pieces, decorative, multi-use, bathroom counter tray, round edges. So here you can see that just after reading the title and see the main image, I can completely understand what this product is. Like if I purchase this product, I will get 3-piece bamboo tea serving tray. And you can see that there is a size mentioned 11 by 4 inch and I can just use it for tea, snack, tissues, candle. And you can see that they have mentioned round edges tray. So I'll be able to make sure that the edges are round and they are smooth. So if I just start reading some bullet point here, you can see that multifunctional serving tray, detailed size, serviceable material. So they have explained size, material, function and all of that stuff into their listing. And if we see the more images, so you can see that in images they have just explained each and every detail regarding material, size, thickness, and you can see that there's a smooth surface and quality bamboo material, high edge keep item safe. And if I go through some other images, you can see that they have just shown the product in action. So number 2 point is, if your listing will be optimized, then your conversion rate will be high. And now comes the third part, which is Amazon PPC. So let's go on PPC dashboard again. So here you can see that my A cost is 35%. Like A cost is the ratio between ad spend and PPC sales. So in PPC, you need to try targeting all of those keywords which are actually searched by the people who actually want to purchase your product. For example, your product is bamboo tray. So you need to find out some keyword like what people are searching to buy bamboo tray. Like they might be searching for bathroom tray, they might be searching for kitchen tray, bamboo tray, brown tray, wooden tray and so on. So you need to find out all of those keywords, 10, 20, 50 or 100 keyword, and then you need to find out which keyword is highly competitive and which is low competitive. So if you shortlist all of those keywords who are super relevant and low competitive and you put those keywords into PPC, so what PPC will do is PPC will show your product to all of those people who are actually searching for that product. And when they search on Amazon like bamboo bathing tray, they will find your product so they can click your product. And if your listing is optimized, they can purchase. So if many people purchase repeatedly, then Amazon will rank your product organically on all of those keywords. So if you want to learn how to run PPC, how to find golden keyword for PPC, how to find super relevant keyword for free, so again, you need to just go on my Amazon playlist and here you can just find many videos on PPC for free. So you can just go there, watch those videos and learn how to run Amazon PPC campaign effectively. So if you find out all those good keywords and make a good strategy, so by spending less amount of money, you can just get more sales. And when you start getting more sales from PPC, so Amazon will rank your product organically as well. And the result is in front of you. Like you can see that after spending $16,000 on PPC, I got 1,365 units sales. But the actual sales were a lot more higher than that. You can see here 5,207 units. So if we subtract 13,000 units, then around 4,000 units I got just free. Like in a simple way, I actually sold around 4,000 units for free without spending any money on ads because those sales I got organically. Like people go on Amazon, search for my product and they see my product rank on top on first page and they just click and purchase. So you need to make your PPC strategy in such a way that you spend less money, get more sale, and get more organically ranked. So at the end of the day, you'll get more money and more profit. So these are the main 3 building blocks of Amazon FBA business, and believe me, if you just learn these 3 blocks properly and start working on them effectively, then nobody will stop you to get more and more sales and more profit and make more and more money. So if you don't understand any of the part of this video or any of the 3 building blocks, so you can just rewind that video and watch that video again and again as many times as you want, because this is something real and real value which I've just given you in this video, so you can just implement that strategy and make your Amazon business successful. Because believe me, there is no other method or no other technique except this to make your Amazon business successful. So watch that video, watch my other video, and if you have any question, then don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box below or chat with me on WhatsApp from the link below. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.